simu po 2028 wono eneba as president ediama NPP was no amanyoko no ebusu beef between Kennedy akompreko Agyapong and afi Dr. Alhaji Bawumia that is the same the akwakoye piso aha Ireland media Ghana we share like wa comment amafofo enye bi ahwe na bi so dey see ani dey nim say NPP for chese omugusu omuye hwehwemu ahwe apeni pa nyame adma 2028 ene omde ne be president na so omde betu franka ediama NPP osno amanyoko no ebi se Dr. Alhaji Bawumia ebi mu se Kennedy akompreko Agyapong ene de no eba ebusia sawo Europe and America na wo send this card aba Ghana nko ade send wave money transfer app no ene be boa mo atimi asende sawo send egu mobile money wallet and a bank account so de obetimi asende e de ba efa hone network kro a u use so first transaction menya $20 free dia na we be use promo code JSXM2 eno and I will me at the ascend said the first transaction ubenya $20 free. Na nti se si anom ogogo piemu NPP for akacha na se akoya twema mentwe hu aba betoto esan se NPP supporters ni bisi Kennedy ene ye pesa mu de ne ba esan se wono de ene ye wo bite mu se NPP bibia betini kama na se o my Ghana mu na sundue ebetini aba supporters ni bi se Dr. Alhaji Bawumia eno omupo onu anom fa na mra esan se kofo mu krampo no omo try 1 2 ansana nyame ya admo mutimi ede ayede atimi abasa to kra na doctor ye man panyini John Dramani Mahama krampo no what try twice after say the late Atamis ekoye no oba bedi obiga baba ko wantimi anwin the second one way eno timi find is Dr. Alhaji Bawumia aba first try na say and for my proposition eno nkyere se omde ne ba bi mu a omuntimi nye de ntimi enwen ne na busia ensem ne de eno ena nam so ama Kennedy akompreko Agyapong after so kwa mampo hine ye ni baye no abetu tubi ama ne Dr. Alhaji Bawumia Abraham wo share supporters na busia this year ya no ye kwa akore NPP fo ni bi nsem o mpotena TV station ni radio station bi ekokan ye edifa Dr. Alhaji Bawumia wo adasafo ena lawyer Morris Ampao omo edi ensem bi today konkoti ewi a yatoaso.
That's what we are going to do for Dr. Bawumia. We are going to bring him back as the flag bearer of the new patriotic party.
You think he's still the best person to lead the NPP?
He's the best person. We've marketed him before. We will market him again. And every person, I think, deserves a second chance. Elton, every person in this world deserves a second chance. Why do you bring a ticket once when you have precedent, you have a history? That tells us that the first time it doesn't work. Sometimes the second time it doesn't work. President Kufuor went how many times before he got the nod? His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, he went how many times before? We went 2007, we lost. We went 2012, we lost. It was 2016, after the election petition. Professor Mills, how many times did the late Professor Mills, may he still rest in perfect peace, how many times did he run? Our current president, John Mahama. President Mahama. He continued the leftover term of Professor Mills. He came, started his first term, he lost. He came again. Ghanaians rejected him. And he's come again. Where in the history of this country has a presidential candidate won the first time? So why are you telling Dr. Bawumia that Ghanaians don't like him, and you're going to put that in a report and present it to us, and you think we will accept it? No.
Ya Bawumia ye ya wasi Bawumia ye. Wodi Nana Addo before eswano. Ye kontro abano. The fee mo buy ni say onya 42%. This is the reason why say ye ko compete with Bawumia kra. Ebetumi a omo person compete no omo to mo wase kra. People like Agyapong are a good material, but no, NPP should not make a mistake of thinking, so we need to change candidate. No. When you change candidate, what it means is that because any new candidate for example, if you answer so for no money what issues? Say Agyapong, echo cassette when they say on my FN. It is how you know, say, Agyapong antichrist, on peg Christ assembly. If I say that the smart move, any Agyapong concern or corrupt. If I say that, if I say Agyapong, if I say that people will start talking about something that they know about Agyapong, or be our ambition to contest Bawumia, hold it on for the sake of the party. Obi our ambition, no. There's more time. There's a role you can play in the Bawumia campaign. Now you share how best we can protect Bawumia and legacy and not rebranding, but presenting once again to the people of Ghana.
Na just way any someone with the two dra efa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Na we see emere so thank you to na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ko no. Omo pie mu you ko this same be ko two dra about the enti omko opposition no ekire nneoma bi mu anisa na no e na Kennedy akompre ko Agyapong enye no free man pon hina ye ni bedru ya na chese wo share supporters ni na busua wakeka na adwene e de ache Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wo se ne 2028 se won paw ope won no e na ye de no eba as president e de ama eye NPP amanyoko na busua ensem ni mu de ye monwram ye tie fi ono ankasa enum.
There is a reason 4 months our year campaign the performance enuti ne asade president Kufuor ekol ebiem ana Kufuor do comprensa Kufuor do call first one onya 49.3% when timi an cross 50 enuti ana esa call second round enu so epai e time and decide here Emma Professor Mills enya 23,000 votes everybody president into a bia person or cultural say yensa ma asuma sin ko biemu a on starting kabakosam am obi antie Kufuor do esa court 2012 no what we need and when we are a court mamuti decision and was aka so there meaning some we need but some see nyamna me respect court no enti yanko ya hwe Kufuor do performance the first time second time enti ni ade ni call the third time enti so hwe big performance now to me lose over 2 million na ya sa be ka kira say mo fa nipa nenko na mayedi but emre ni du ho nokura de yabeka momate nokura no de yabeka momate samu pepawa Ghana for say mo de kana Agyapong ba yabeto amamo mo sa kwakwam fie 9 fie nwotwe biem. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Mama yentie nia efomfo ka mama yentie nia Ghana fo ka asori dey am wo kasai e ka uki asori dey am wo kura wo mabatu no e kire so wo kasai e bi so wo kai no mo antie an so say mo antie a mo baji mu jejereje eni aji jejereje oh campaign ebe ye de papa campaign ya ye koye enya tem didie ye pekuru ye badakuru ye nso ntire se abakosem wo ho a ye nkamu nokura emma nipa hu eno de ye beka yes eno de ye beka enti munya botre na munya awrehwem se achia na mui yesua de afrim se wo hwe mahama appointment ya wa ye yi a da bia na meka me se monhwe party fuo se hwe party fuo a enkanya ni se wo opposition so mo your mistake na mo nsua de bia free opposition ya ye wom na wo hwe appointment mahama ye de ama ni party fuo a minua member party for ya betina opposition a che e mesiramu obi a owo party no hodo obi a o sacrifice ma party wo ha wo si wo sa ko fa nipa foforo biem o mu ko no o mpanfo na ka o si e besi usu a ya shawma ya man sefuo e kurafa what continue opposition affair was say fakura ni bra me hwe ni ma what be pay me do ba say nyame nshira
na je say we any some Kennedy akompre ko Agyapong kekan ye de kire eye Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ebusua video no hwe ni ya no wo ka bibi sem se NPP fo antimi amoa supporters anase ekuo no emu nipa dia enye NPP fo be ko opposition ache esan se wono de ye papa anase ye mampanyini John Dramani Mahama His Excellency na appointment bi a wo ye ne se de wo si ebo party members ni bi no eye mfato ho de a kire NPP fo se NPP fo entimi amoa party fo ni de opposition no wan hwe mbekọ ni till say Yesu Kristo obeba ne maye tosu emienu ebusia drop decent comment comment section honum efama me share like nso so eka ho aha ya land media Ghana we di the Agyapong broni.